Welcome back to CodeToAGI. I am Mahaz, Senior ML Engineer. In Episode 7, you mastered functions. Your programs can now write reusable, clean code. Today, Episode 8, we learn lists. Lists let you store many values in a single variable. This is one of the most important data structures in Python. Every real application uses lists, from social media feeds to data analysis. Let's go. Imagine you need to store the names of 5 students. Without lists, you create 5 separate variables. Student 1, Student 2, Student 3, all the way to Student 5. Now imagine a class of 1,000 students. Impossible with separate variables. With a list, one variable holds all 1,000 names. Lists are how Python stores collections of data. Think about every app you use daily. Your contact list, that is a list. Your music playlist, that is a list. Your shopping cart, that is a list. After today, you will think like a data-driven programmer. Lists combined with loops and functions make your programs truly powerful. Creating a list is simple. Use square brackets and separate values with commas. Look at the examples. Fruits is a list of 3 strings: apple, banana, cherry. Numbers is a list of 5 integers. Mixed is a list containing different types: a string, an integer, and a float. Python lists can hold any type of value. They can even mix types in the same list. To access a single item, use the index in square brackets. Python starts counting at 0, so fruits at index 0 is apple. Fruits at index 1 is banana. Fruits at index 2 is cherry. Negative indexing also works. Fruits at index -1 gives the last item, cherry. This zero-based indexing is used in almost every programming language. Lists are mutable. You can change them after creation. There are 3 ways to add items. Append adds one item to the end of a list. Insert adds an item at a specific position. Extend adds all items from another list. To remove items, use remove or pop. Remove deletes the first occurrence of a value. Pop removes an item at a given index and returns it. With no index, pop removes the last item. Look at the examples. We start with fruits: apple, banana, cherry. After append mango, we have 4 fruits. After insert at index 1 with kiwi, kiwi is the second item. After remove banana, banana is gone. After pop, the last item is removed and returned. These 4 methods are the core of list manipulation. Lists and loops are the perfect combination. You can loop through every item in a list with a for loop. Look at the first example. We loop through numbers and print each one. Simple and clean. Now look at the enumerate example. Enumerate gives you both the index and the value at the same time. I is the index. Item is the value. Output is 0:apple, 1:banana, 2:cherry. This is extremely useful when you need to know the position of each item. The third example uses a list comprehension. Squares equals I squared for I in range 1 to 6. This creates a new list in one line. The output is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. List comprehensions are a professional Python technique. They make your code shorter and faster. Python lists come with powerful built-in methods. Len gives you the number of items in a list. Sort arranges items in ascending order. Reverse flips the order of a list. Count tells you how many times a value appears. Index finds the position of the first occurrence of a value. Look at the examples. We start with numbers 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9, 2. Len of numbers is 7. After sort, the list is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. After reverse, 9, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. Count of 1 returns 2. 1 appears twice. Index of 4 returns 4. 4 is at position 4. These methods work on any list, strings, numbers, mixed types. You will use len and sort in almost every real project. Now, let us build a real project, a student grade tracker. Line 1. We define the function with an empty grades list. Lines 3 to 7, we loop 5 times. Each time we ask for a grade and append it to the list. Line 9. We compute the total using the sum function. Line 10. We compute the average by dividing total by the length. Line 11. We find the highest grade using max. Line 12. We find the lowest grade using min. Lines 14 to 17. We print the results. Line 19. We call the main function. 5 grades, 1 list, 1 function, clean professional code. Sum, max, and min are built-in Python functions that work perfectly with lists. This is the real power of combining lists with functions. Now it is your turn. Your challenge is to build a shopping list manager. Step 1. Create an empty list called shopping. Step 2. Use a loop to ask the user for 5 items. Append each item to the shopping list. Step 3. Sort the list alphabetically. Step 4. Print each item with its number using enumerate. For example, 1 : apples, 2 : bread, and so on. Step 5. Print the total number of items using len. Try it yourself first. Pause the video and write the code now. If you get stuck, the complete solution is on our GitHub repository. Go to github.com/CodeToAGI/Python-course. The link is in the description. Try first, then check. That is how real programmers learn. Let's wrap up what you learned today. Square brackets create a list. Values separated by commas. Zero-based indexing. First item is at index 0. Append, insert, extend, add items to a list. Remove and pop, delete items from a list. For loops, iterate through every item in a list. Enumerate gives you index and value together. Len, sort, reverse, count, index, the essential list methods. Sum, max, min, built-in functions that work with lists. And you built a complete student grade tracker. In episode 9, we learned dictionaries. Dictionaries let you store data as key value pairs. They're the foundation of JSON and real-world data. Make sure you subscribe so you do not miss it. Lists mastered. Your programs can now store and manage collections of data. That is a massive step toward AGI. The complete project code is on our GitHub repository. Find the link in the video description. It is at github.com/CodeToAGI/Python-course. Every episode project is there, clean, commented, ready to run. If this video helped you, hit the like button right now. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a single episode. Paste your shopping list manager in the comments. I will check every one. I am Ahaz. See you tomorrow in episode 9.